All right, I'm now going to show you how to find out whether or not you might have a fatty liver. And this is anecdotal. This isn't precise, but this is a very good sign to know whether or not you'll have a fatty liver. You take two fingers, you slide down the side or the midline of your body to your last rib. You should be able to feel the bone there. If you can't feel the bone there, you really need to get in keto. Quick. So the point is, the last bone, you just go below there, just an inch, and press in. See how I'm pressing in there? Okay, and I'm feeling for tautness, tightness. And then I'm going to go 3 to 4 inches forward and press in there. If that's a little lighter, a little less taut, then congratulations, not really. You more than likely have a fatty liver. And of course you can go to your doctor and get a blood test called an ALT test, and if those enzymes, those liver enzymes are elevated, you have a fatty liver.